What if your 3D printer could create 16 color prints automatically? That's exactly what the Creality CFS multicolor system is built for. This isn't just an accessory, it's a complete upgrade to your printing workflow. At its core, the CFS system manages automatic filament switching, allowing you to print multicolor models without manual intervention. No more pausing prints or swapping spools yourself. One of its biggest advantages is scalability. It supports up to 4 parallel units, giving you the ability to reach 16 color printing with precision and consistency. Perfect for creators, designers, and anyone who wants more from their prints. But it's not just about color. The system also includes anti-moisture filament storage, helping protect your materials and maintain print quality. Dry filament means smoother layers, better adhesion, and cleaner results. Compatibility is another strong point. It works seamlessly with Creality K2 Plus and high series printers, making integration simple and efficient. And despite the advanced features, the setup is straightforward. Once connected, it handles everything in the background, smart, fast, and reliable. The result? More creative freedom, less manual work, and professional-level prints. If you're ready to take your 3D printing to the next level, the Creality CFS multicolor system is a game changer. Check the link in the description to learn more.